Evening, folks. January 19th, 2024. I live in Delaware. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. A couple changes will be coming. I had some people, or Susie, Carrie Sue or something like that. I mess her name up all the time. One of my tanker friends' wife. We meet the reunion every 2 years. We try. Anyway, here we go. What we're still working on is the SMC, HWH, Beaver, Monaco, Safari. But you got a 40-foot chassis. If you have the SMC, which is the hydraulic leveling system, it does not touch the ground. It goes from the main chassis frame down to the suspension arm or axle. They got a pad down there that it rests on. So pretty nice. I mean, it's just another system to me in hydraulic. This is video 8, I think. So I'm going to show you what I had to do. One, we got the pump working and all that, and the slides are back to working, and we had to troubleshoot some more stuff, and we're going to have to rebuild that manifold, folks. Woo! Let me show you what I did. So basically you needed a number 2 square bit drive. You're going to go from underneath, and there's 2 brackets. They're there like that in the back half. All right, so we're going to lift this up, see, and that, my friend, let me put you on pause. All right, so basically this is one of the panels next to your storage door. This one happens to have the ability to watch engine oil pressure and temperature. There's your diagnostic connector there. There's your aerator system for your fuel. There's your air restriction gauge for your dirty air filter. There's your drains right there. And there you can hook up air from another compressor and then bring the system up, the airbags. These are 4 airbags per axle. All right, but what we're talking about, IDL / SMC / HWH / RVA hydraulic leveling system. All right, so here we go. We're going to turn it around. Now this door, remember I told you how to take those brackets off from inside. We lift it up. There's the manifold where I'm trying to get to. All right, I got from the bottom. I showed you that on other videos. I did that pump already there. It works, everything. We just got a couple problems, like when I tell the front jacks all to retract, it lifts the front. There we go. All right, so there's a couple problems. All right, so what we got 8 hoses. Each 2 you see, let me see if I can put my dirty head here. Each 2 you see, like that goes to the right front, then the left front, then the left rear, then the right rear. All right. See, each solenoid, each group of solenoids, one's the retract, one's the extend. All right, so there you go. We had to get this out of the way so I can mark them lines really good. All right, and I'm gonna cap them off. Video to show you how things are going. Some of the common tool sizes are in the other videos. It's repeated. Remember, you want to use double wrenches if it's on hydraulic lines. We've talked about that before. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. It is January the 19th and it's snowing. I probably got about 3 inches out in the yard. Let me put you on pause real quick. I had to bring this one in this morning. There was about 6 inches of snow on top. All right. And of course the wood furnace is going. I got a fan. It was all melting. I was collecting it, so it wouldn't make that much of a problem in here. But there we go. Look at that. We'll go out here. There's the hot tub. We're getting in that bed. What's Friday night? Steak night, hot tub movie. And my wife's sitting there working. All right. Look at that. There's my neighbor. A lot of us got big old pole barns and stuff down here. I got a couple neighbors, but outside of that, there's nothing but farm that way, like 600 acres that way. There's my cats. I gave them what's left of a chicken. That's right. There's that pool. It's going to be open soon. I see it coming. It's January, February, March. Mother's Day, I always open up. All right, there you go. You don't see that too often here in Delaware. All right, so thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. What's the motto? You know it. Test, not guess.